Good morning. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
What's up, Blackhawks? It's James.
And more, let's get into the Hawkview Announcements. Attention seniors, you must schedule your senior photos with Cherished Memories Photography by December 20th. Go to the website below and schedule your appointment.
Attention, Blackhawks. Are you wanting to try out for the best swing team in the desert? Come to the informational meeting in the main gym during lunch on Thursday, December 12th.
Attention current or future drummers, the LQHS drumline is having workshops/tryouts for the spring and fall drumline positions. If you're a veteran drummer, we want you to come. If you have never played drums before but are willing to learn, we want you to come. Monday and Thursdays from 3:45 to 4:30 in room 301.
Are you good at math and do you enjoy helping others be successful? Join our Math I Peer Tutoring program, which will offer tutoring support to Math I students starting in January. There will be an informational meeting December 12th during office hours in room 358.
Spirit Week is happening all week, and it is going to be magnifique. Here's the rundown for the rest of the week.
Wednesday, we celebrate La Vie and Rose Day. Think reds, pinks, and floral vibes to keep the romance of Paris alive.
Thursday is Tulala Twin Day. Grab your BFF, dress alike, and double the fun.
And Friday wraps it up with our Winter Wonderland Day. Wear whites and sky blues as we head into our epic blackout rally.
But wait, there's more. Winter Formal themed Winter in Paris is happening Saturday night at the beautiful Westin Mission Hills. Tickets are on sale now in the student store and online, so don't wait.
Let's make this week a week to remember, Blackhawks. Vive la Spirit Week.
We are proud to recognize Jacob Seabohm, Bryce Bennett, Quinn Sanchez, Felix Ceja Gallo, and Annika Crest for receiving the Coachella Valley Do the Right Thing Award. They were recognized on their positive attitude, behavior, and overall accomplishments. Congratulations, Blackhawks.
The IB learner profile for December is communicator. Being a communicator is about expressing yourself clearly and making sure you're open to understanding other people's views. Great communicators use words, actions, and even creativity to connect with others.
Attention La Quinta. In summer 2026, we're heading to Great Britain for a true crime and health sciences tour. Explore forensic sciences, take haunted underground tour in Edinburgh, and visit hospitals and medical museums for a mix of mystery and science. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime experience. See Miss Cruz in room 267 for more information.
Have a great day, Blackhawks.